Astro did exactly what he was asked. Ah!
Ah! Shelley looked at you, quite confused for a second at your request as she tilted.
Sure. V did exactly as Hazel said, letting out a loud scream of ah!
Pebble looks surprised at the request, but obliges anyway. Ah!
He didn't like the idea of doing such thing. Once he realized you weren't going to give up, he let out a scoff. Fine, he said in an annoyed tone. He then proceeded to cup his hands together, letting out a loud ah!
Then lets out a yell, ah!
Dandy screamed aloud.
Goob, ah! Boxton, ah! Pebble, woof! Ah! Toodles, ah! V, ah! Poppy, ah! Ah! Astro hums the ah sound instead.